Myself Ingrezi Nirjari. I am from Division C and my roll number is 265. Today I am going to present the concept of Mediclaim policy. Due to rapid population growth and more use of adulterated food, water and air, this leads to hospitalization more frequently. To cater to varying and increasing needs, different form of covers are available. For this purpose, various types of policies are issued by the insurance corporation in order to meet the public at large. They are individual mediclaim policy, group mediclaim policy, Jan Arogya Bima policy, cancer policy, Bhavishya Arogya policy, overseas medical policy, Videsh Yatra Mitra policy. Note that these type of policies are not issued by Life Insurance Corporation of India, that is LIC, but they are issued by some other subordinate insurance companies of the General Insurance Company. All these government insurance companies, but still they are not reliable. Individual mediclaim policy. An individual is granted this cover under an individual mediclaim policy. The policy under this plan provides reimbursement of hospitalization for the illness or accidental injury sustained during the policy within India only. The liability in respect of all the claims admitted during the period of insurance shall not exceed the sum of insured for the person as mentioned in the schedule. Under the head of these legitimate expenses, the following entries can only be included: rent of a room, diet expense, etc. in the hospital or in nursing home, treatment expense, visit fees of surgeon, anesthetist, physician, consultant, specialist, etc. Expenses towards anesthesia, blood, oxygen, operation theatre, surgical instrument, medicine, examination tools, X-ray, diabetes, chemotherapy, radiotherapy, pacemaker, artificial limbs, body culture and tissues, physical organs, etc. In the prospects of mediclaim policy, it has been clearly mentioned that hospital or nursing home means any institution in India established for indoor care and treatment of sickness and injuries and which has been registered as a hospital or nursing home with the local authority and is under the supervision of registered and qualified medical practitioner and should comply the minimum criteria. These criteria are: it should have at least 15 inpatient beds, fully equipped operation theatre of its own wherever surgical operations are carried out, fully qualified nursing staff under its employment round the clock, fully qualified doctors should be in charge round the clock. Expenses on hospitalization for minimum 24 hours are admissible. However, this limit is not applied to specific treatment of diabetes, chemotherapy, radiotherapy, eye operation, lithotripsy, in which the patients are discharged on the same day and the treatment will be considered to be taken under hospitalization benefit. If a same illness occur after the lapse of 45 days, it is considered as the fresh illness for the purpose of the policy. The illness is supposed to be continuous one if it includes relapses within 45 days. The relevant medical expenses made during the period up to 30 days prior to hospitalization on disease, illness, injury will be considered as the part of a mediclaim. The relevant expenses made during 60 days after the discharge from hospital will be considered as the part of a mediclaim. Inadmissible expenses for a mediclaim. There are some expenses which are not admissible under the mediclaim policy. They are expenses incurred for disease which were existing prior to the date of commencement of mediclaim policy, expenses incurred for the treatment of disease which has happened within the 30 days prior to the commencement of mediclaim policy. Expenses incurred towards the treatment of the injury or disease directly or indirectly caused by war or the act of foreign enemy war like operations. Expenses incurred for the cost of contact lens, spectacles and hearing aids. Expenses incurred for dental treatment or dental surgery. Expenses incurred for general debility, blood deficiency, etc. Expenses incurred for vitamin tonics, expenses incurred for naturopathy treatment. Now age limit. The mediclaim insurance is available to the person between the age of 5 years to 80 years. Then notice of a claim. Preliminary notice of a claim with particulars relating to policy number, name of insured, nature of illness, and the name of Name and address of the attendee, medical practitioner, hospital, nursing home should be given to the insurance company within 7 days from the date of hospitalization, injury or death. Second, final claim along with hospital receipt bills, cash memos, claim form and list of documents etc. should be submitted to the company within 30 days of discharge from the hospital. Cost of health checkup. In addition to cumulative bonus, the insured shall be entitled for reimbursement of cost of medical checkup once at the end of a block of every 4 underwriting years, provided there are no claims reported during the block. The cost so reimbursed shall not exceed the amount equal 1% of the average sum insured during the block of 4 claims free underlying years. Renewal of insurance cover. A further period of 7 days from the date of expiry will be permissible in exceptional cases subject to health certificate from medical practitioner. The medical policy is available for the sum of rupees 15,000 to rupees 5 lakh. Thank you.